a much quieter morning for the south coast and many parts of the central and south coasts of California. Had a lot of gusty wind for a while last night, but that just cleared out most of that marine layer. So a clear and quiet morning for us. A beautiful start to the day, but we do expect a lot more wind coming our way for pretty much all areas the next several afternoons and evenings. Right now, 51 degrees in Santa Barbara. Still lower lingering clouds over San Ynez where it's 45 degrees. Same thing in Paso Robles. We have the low clouds in place where it's 45, 48 degrees in Santa Maria and 49 degrees in San Luis Obispo. Well, yesterday we had that minor disturbance that brought us small amounts of rain. That's long gone. However, with the jet stream overhead, that means a lot more windy weather for a good portion of California, especially the central and south coast. So plenty of afternoon and evening and even some overnight wind for the next several days. We're also going to have a lot of sunshine. We're keeping our eyes on another storm way to our northwest. That's going to give us a slight chance of some showers late Sunday into Monday, but most of us won't receive anything measurable. It's probably just going to be more clouds, cooler weather, and windier weather too. Speaking of which, we expect a lot more wind beginning late this morning through the afternoon hours. First for the central coast, then spreading southeastward into most of Santa Barbara County and the higher elevations of Ventura County too. A lot of wind gusts between 25 and 40 miles an hour, and I would not be surprised if we had a wind advisory issued later today for the south coast and the mountains of Santa Barbara County. Not issued yet, but it is going to get windy. Now, as far as the clouds are concerned, we're going to have a waxing and waning of the marine layer clouds. They're going to start pushing on shore late tonight through early tomorrow for our most usual suspect areas around Paso Robles, San Ynez, Santa Maria, and Lompoc, but the afternoon wind is going to blow that right away. We'll just have more clouds again late Thursday into Friday. Same situation for us. We'll start the day a little bit cloudy, then we'll have a lot of afternoon sunshine and wind, and temperatures gradually warming into this coming Friday and Saturday, but no good chances for any wet weather anytime soon. Slight chance as moving to Monday. That's really about it for us. So for today, a lot of afternoon sunshine and slightly warmer temperatures than yesterday. We'll have a high of 75 in Paso Robles, 73 in San Luis Obispo, more upper 60s and lower 70s for the 5 cities area, 72 degrees for high in Santa Maria, 70 degrees for Lompoc, and more lower to mid 70s with plenty of afternoon wind for the San Ynez Valley. And for the south coast, a lot of sundowner wind for us late tonight through early tomorrow. Daytime highs mid to upper 70s. Nice warmth for us, but you might want to have your hat on tight because we're still going to have plenty of gusty wind. And for Ventura County, we're going to have a little bit less wind, but still breezy this afternoon with seasonable temperatures mainly in the 70s. The next 7 days in Santa Barbara, we have plenty of windy weather for at least the next 3 days. Increasing clouds and decreasing temperatures this coming weekend. And we'll also have more windy weather by next Tuesday. Highs will briefly climb to 80 degrees by Friday. For Santa Maria, also lots of afternoon and evening wind today through Friday, climbing up to the mid-70s by Friday and Saturday, then cooling down with more marine layer clouds and more wind next Tuesday. Also, San Luis Obispo, most days will be in the 70s, topping out at 77 degrees Friday and Saturday, but a lot of windy weather today through the end of the work week. Lompoc, mainly 70s, but dropping down to the mid to upper 60s Monday and Tuesday. No good chances for any rainy weather, but the wind will be there. For San Ynez, we'll also have lots of 70s and 80s for highs up to 80 degrees Friday and Saturday. And for Ventura, we expect mainly 70s going forward. Not quite as windy, but we'll definitely have more clouds and a cool down early next week. Let's look at your weather on this Wednesday morning. Now here's a look at your sports.